Okay, this objective is lines of best fit. Number one says to draw a scatter plot with positive correlation. So scatter plot is just a grouping of data points, and we want positive correlation. So we want as one value goes up, the other value goes up as well. So I'm just going to make some data points. Please notice that that would be positive correlation because I can see an upward trend in the data. Okay, draw a scatter plot with negative correlation. Negative, I should see a negative trend in the data. So if I made the scatter plot, it's going to look something like that. I'm seeing a negative trend in the data. Number three, write an equation for the line of best fit using the data below. If I'm looking for an equation of the line, when I'm done, I'm going to have y equals mx plus b. Remember, m is my slope and b is my y-intercept. So there's going to be a couple different ways that I'll work this problem. The first thing, if we want to find the slope, I need to find 2 points that are on the line. So I think I'm going to pick this one right here because that one looks pretty good. That's the point 460. And then I'm going to pick another point on that line. I prefer not to pick decimals if I don't have to. I guess I'll pick this one. That's okay. I'm going to pick this one. It happens to be a data point. It does not have to be a data point. Remember, those two data points just happen to be on the line. So this is going to be 0.590. Okay, and then from here, we're going to go ahead and calculate the slope. So the slope is going to be 90 minus 60 over 0.5 minus 4. 90 minus 60 is 30. 0.4 minus 4 is negative 3.5. And if I divide those two out, just give me a minute here. I'll do 30 divided by negative 3.5. That will give me negative 0.86. Or 8.6, excuse me. You could have gotten something a little bit different if you picked different points, but it should be around that. And then from here, there are a couple different ways that I could work this. I could just estimate where this is hitting the y-axis, which it looks like it's around 92. So we'll kind of keep that in mind. So I could be done right there, but I'm actually going to do it the long way. I'm going to pick a point. I know the slope, so I'm going to have 60 equals negative 8.6 times 4 plus b. So now I'm going to have 60 equals 8.6 times 4 will be negative 34.4 plus b. Then I'll add 34.4 to both sides, and that will give me 94.4 would be my b value. So notice we got pretty close to that. So now my equation is going to be y equals negative 8.6x plus 94.4. And if you use the 92, that would be 100% fine as well. Okay, 3b says to use your equation to predict your test score if you watch TV for 10 hours. So you'll notice that hours is on the x-axis, so we're going to put the 10 in for the x. So we're going to have negative 8.6 times 10 plus 94.4. And if we do that, we will get, let me just type that in, I got 8.4. So my test score is going to be an 8.4, which is an extremely low test score, which means don't watch 10 hours of TV instead of studying for your test.